So, not good. It's been sitting a week after stripping and putting the rust spray on, and I'm gonna have to hit the whole thing up again. It's really weird. Some parts looks a lot better. Those are actually the parts that was hard to get to, but where I actually ground, it looks way worse. Ugh. Okay, so sanded it all back down again. A lot of fun. Gonna go over it with some mineral spirits here. A lot of debate between acetone and mineral spirits. This is what I went with. Actually, I don't remember why. So when I get busy doing that, then I'll let that dry for a little bit, come back, wipe it off, and then depending on the rain, depending on the weather, we'll get our primer on. That's the plan anyways. Okay, we're gonna give this a whirl. It's gonna have to be quick. There, I don't know if you can see that, but we got a lot of rain coming our way. Here's the paint we're gonna use. Rusty metal primer. It's built for us, and then eventually we'll get to the gloss white Rust-Oleum enamel. So we've got a roller and a brush. Here they are. Cheap brush, cheap roller, and skies. Let's give it a whirl. We are getting there. My back hurts. But yeah, I'm getting somewhere here. So looking a lot better. Now it looks completely rusty. So there she is, all primed up. It's not perfect, but it's good. Hopefully the paint sticks. I mean, that's the bottom line. So another day working on the trailer. We'll get to the boat here pretty soon. Gotta obviously put the paint on, the gloss enamel. I don't know if a quart's gonna make it, because I bought 1 quart to paint the trailer. Probably is gonna need at least 2 coats. And just priming it took up about 90% of a quart. So yeah, so might need 2 quarts to do that, but certainly some success. So that's exciting, and I will continue to bring you these episodes. Please subscribe, like, do the notification bell too, because that means you get an alert that I've made a new video. I'm trying to make them fairly regularly, and I see the audience is starting to grow, so that's good. And if you do that, that would be better, because then you know when a new video is up. But trying to put them out every week or so. It just depends on the weather, depends on ordering stuff and all that, and time, and the rain, like I said, the weather. So thank you. I appreciate everyone who's subscribed, liked, commented. It's really you know, I'm out here all by myself, so this gives me somebody to talk to, I guess. And you know, even got a tip the other day about getting the boat back up, so really appreciate that. And we'll just continue to push on. All right, see ya.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.